Okay, I'm sitting here trying to come up with, am I gonna say hello? Am I gonna say greetings? But I'm gonna say hey, hey, hey to all of my fellow creatives, to all of my fellow out of this world beings. I'm so glad you're here. This is my first video. This is a big deal for me. This is me sharing me, okay? I've been on quite a journey, as we all have, and this is my sewing fashion design journey that I want to share with you, my creative journey. About 5 years ago, my boyfriend and I just went to downtown LA for funsies, and we ended up in the fashion district, and I was just like, ah, and I've never been the same ever since. All of the fabric, all of the things, it just like blew my mind, and I knew that I had to learn how to sew. So I did. I bought my first little baby, $199 on sale. Lasted a long time. She's still going strong. I've made all my stuff with it, and yeah, I'm thankful for this. It was like the best gift I could have given myself, the gift to create something new with my own hands, which is like my favorite thing to do. I love to make, and I really love to make then wear. That's like one of my favorite things to do. When I first started sewing, like that first summer, whenever I had plans with anyone, I would make it a goal of mine to make that outfit I was gonna wear the day before and have it ready. Like, no matter if it kind of looked bad, I wore it because it feels so good, seriously. Anyways, the point of this video is I want to share my journey from now forward. I finally, after 5 years of messing up all the time, of watching a million YouTube videos, teaching myself how to sew was hard. But I've made a bunch of things that I'm really proud of and that I want to put out there, and it's time. I'm taking the leap of faith in myself, and I just had my first meeting, a virtual meeting with a manufacturer today. First of many. I'm gonna talk to as many as I can in LA and price it all out and such, but I wanted to do an intro video to why I'm here. And I'm just really excited. I hope that my journey can inspire other creatives to go full force into what they want to do and believe in themselves. I certainly struggled with believing in myself, with limiting self-beliefs for the past few years, and thinking that, you know, why me? Why my designs? Like, why do I deserve to do this? And I finally know, it's like, why not me? Why not you? Why not anyone that wants to do it? It's just putting your heart and soul in it, and that's what I'm doing. And I'm just really excited to share it, and yeah, I'll show you more as we go along. Catch you later.